Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands not launching, crashing, not loading, freezing, black screen PC. Number 1. Restart PC and Ubisoft Connect. Completely close Ghost Recon Wildlands. Exit Ubisoft Connect from the system tray. Restart your PC. Open Ubisoft Connect again. Launch the game. Number 2. Verify game files. Open Ubisoft Connect. Go to Games. Select Ghost Recon Wildlands. Open Properties. Find the Verify Files option. Start the verification process. Let Ubisoft Connect repair any damaged files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Update your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC after installing the driver. Launch Ghost Recon Wildlands again. If the issue started after a driver updates the previous stable driver. Number 4. Disable Ubisoft and other overlays. Disable the Ubisoft Connect overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA AMD overlays. Close MSI Afterburner or other monitoring applications temporarily. Restart the game. Number 5. Reset game configuration. Press Windows R. Open the Ghost Recon Wildlands configuration folder. Back up the configuration files first. Rename the configuration folder or settings file. Launch the game again to create fresh settings. Number 6. Run the game as administrator. Locate the Ghost Recon Wildlands executable. Right-click the executable. Select Properties, Compatibility. Enable Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and OK. Start the game again. Number 7. Disable full screen optimization. Right-click the game's executable. Select Properties, Compatibility. Enable Disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply. Launch the game again. Number 8. Repair DirectX and Visual C++. Make sure Windows is fully updated. Repair or install the required Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Update required DirectX components. Restart your PC after completing the repairs. Number 9. Check Firewall and Antivirus. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Make sure Ghost Recon Wildlands and Ubisoft Connect are allowed. Check whether your antivirus has blocked or quarantined a game file. Restart the game after making changes. Number 10. Reinstall the game. Use this as a last resort. Backup important configuration files. Uninstall Ghost Recon Wildlands. Restart your PC. Reinstall the game and Ubisoft Connect components. Launch the game before enabling overlays or additional background software.